Bentar.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Suara jelas kan? Takutnya putus-putus nih suaranya.
Yes.
Okay. So tonight we are going to do our assignment about student talk. So for this week topic is about we are about to answer a question about where are you from, your high school, your hobbies, and why and how did you finally decide to continue your study in the information system department. We're about to talk our dream jobs about IT jobs. Oke, siapa yang mau mulai perkenalan diri dulu nih?
Tunggu materinya apa?
Nih materinya, jadi kita ngebahas dari mana kita berasal, maksudnya tempat tinggal kita, terus sekolah kita dari mana, hobi, terus kenapa lanjut ke SI, habis itu pekerjaan IT apa yang jadi mimpi kita gitu, yang pengen kita capai. Oke, siapa duluan nih yang mau ini? Mau duluan.
Yang topik for this week is question us and answer question about where you are from, your high school itu.
Iya, yang itu. Okay, maybe from
Di screen recorder aja.
Kenapa?
Untuk videonya ini gimana? Bisa direkam atau screen recorder?
Ini udah direkam kok.
Oh, oke.
Aman lah. Oke.
Mulai. Siapa yang mau mulai?
Maybe from Zaki, you want to introduce yourself first, I think. Or maybe.
First, my name is Harifan Nurhazeki and my nickname Zeki. I'm from Kabupaten Lima Utara, Sumatera Barat, and my high school before I enter this university Wiki. My hobbies is music and drawing. And why I enter this
major.
Okay.
And I choose this. Apa jurusan bahasa Inggrisnya?
Major.
Ulang lagi gimana ini videonya gimana dari mana mulainya? Dari awal banget. Enggak kan bisa dipotong kan?
Bisa dipotong kan?
Kalau mulai lagi gimana?
Ulang duluan lah.
Ya ulang aja nggak apa-apa ulang.
Alright, let me introduce myself. My name is Harifan Nurhazeki. My nickname Zeki. Kabupaten Lima Kota, Sumatera Barat. School is SMA Negeri 1 Kecamatan Suliki. My hobbies is especially guitar and also anime. This major is interesting to learn about programmer.
Okay.
And about IT. And about IT, I think I do not know much about IT, but maybe only about what have we learned in study in our school. Yes, maybe that's all.
So, Zeki, do you have any friends who came to university with you? Teman sekelas atau teman sekolah gitu, sama-sama ke UNAN ada gitu?
Oh, that sounds. Yeah, there are so many my friends that enter UNAN from my school.
Okay. Interesting. Do you want to talk about yourself more?
I don't know what should I tell, but maybe I can answer your question about me if you something about myself.
Hmm,
Okay.
Thinking, what? What is Seliki?
What?
Uh, Seliki itu di mana ya?
Oh, Seliki. Seliki is kecamatan apa ya? Kecamatan bahasa Inggrisnya. Seliki itu kecamatan yang ada di Kabupaten Maluku Kota, Provinsi Sumatera Barat.
Jadi salah satu
Okay, any more? Yeah.
Maybe you can tell more about your you come from? I'm sorry.
Alright, I'm from Kabupaten Maluku Kota, Provinsi Sumatera Barat.
Maybe you can tell more about the 50 kota.
Excuse me.
Maybe with the food or um, maybe
Excuse me. With some problem maybe with signal. Your question, please.
can you tell more about 50 kota, like about the food, the place or scenery.
Yeah, I am interested with
You can
the
tell more about your place.
culinary. I want to know more about the culinary.
Cool. What? In 50 kota or maybe Payakumbuh there's apa ya? Khas dari 50 kota dan kota Payakumbuh itu ada namanya galamai. Also known in Indonesia as dodol. It's made by and also coconut and what more ya? Sorry,
So,
seperti kata Alif. Contoh about my
okay.
any more question about my apa? About 50 kota maybe about Sumbar or about me.
Project is part is done. Okay, shall we go to the next person, I guess? Okay, okay, I'm gonna introduce myself to make it more shortly. Okay, my name is Akmal Raffi Nursyabani. I came from Bogor, West Java, and my high school is Vocational High School 1 Cibinong. I was I'm taking software engineering on my high school, And my hobbies is listening to music and drawing some stuff. I love drawing, especially it's like a 2D drawing. And then why I choose information system department is I want to know more about programming, and I got a little bit interest with business since we learn about business about 4 months, right? Or 4 months or 3 months? 4 months. 4 bulan kita belajar bisnis ya.
Yes, yes, come on.
Okay, since we learn about business 4 months, I got a little interest with it. And my IT jobs is what is it? I don't know. Became a programmer or UI UX designer, I guess. So, is there any question for me? Like how Bogor is, how my high school, or my hobbies, or something like that? You can ask me anything.
Okay, Akmal, I think I have a question. Why did you choose Unan?
Sorry, what?
Why did you choose Unan? Why did you
Why did I
padahal
choose?
di Bogor?
Okay.
Nah,
Uh,
there are so many
why did I choose Sunan?
apa di Bogor.
Ya di Bogor kan terkenal ITB gitu kan. Why did I choose Sunan? I choose Sunan because it's near from my village on Solok, so I can visit my great grandmother on there, and I want to rantau apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Apa rantau apa rantau? Oh, I want to go overseas to West Sumatra. I want to I want to experience how Sumatra is and how the culture is, how the culinary is, because I want to experience something new. So I go to West Sumatra and I want to learn more about programming on Puna. That's it. Is there any question?
I want to ask about vocational SMK is vocational high school maybe.
Yes.
I want to ask interested in IT or programmer for a long time. That's why we chose vocational high school.
Sorry, can you repeat it again? The voice is a little bit kinky.
Have you been interested
Hmm?
or programmer for a long time, and then that's why you choose to enter vocational high school?
Actually, I know about programming when I was in first grade in my vocational high school. Jadi kelas 1 di SMK itu bener-bener baru kenal programming. Actually, I want to go to multimedia, but I signed in two programs in multimedia and software engineering, but I didn't pass on multimedia, so I went to software engineering, and I got my interest on programming is about the second class, I guess. So the first grade, I didn't know about programming. What is PHP? What is Java? What is C Sharp? What is C++? And something like alien language like that. But since I was second grade, I got interest on programming.
Okay, Raffi,
Is
can you
there
tell us about apa?
Bogor maybe?
Can you explain
Hmm?
what benefits of every programming language that you have learned? C
Okay.
for what do you use Java for?
Okay. When I was in high school, I learned about mostly it's web. It's web. So I learned about HTML, CSS, and PHP. JavaScript. It's not much that learning on my high school, I think. So my school is focused on web when I was in high school, but this year is about to mobile programming. I learned Java when I was first grade, but it's about like console application, like our like we study now about C++ and C. But yeah, yeah, like that. Okay, Jackie, is there?
Raffi,
Hmm?
I
Yes,
ask you something. Can you give us some tips
somewhat.
to learn about programming?
Some tips, some tips. I only have one tips, one motivation for me is practice makes perfect. That's it. And then you cannot mastery something, you cannot apa kita nggak bisa memahamin sesuatu kalau kita nggak cinta sama apa yang kita lakuin gitu. Misalkan kita, for example, we want to learn about programming, but we don't love programming. We hate it. We hate when the error comes up, and then we get frustrated and we don't want to program. If we do that, we never can learn about programming. It's not about program. Ini nggak berlaku buat programming, tapi buat semua hal. Uh, itu sih dari tips dari aku. Jadi intinya practice makes perfect. If you find error, try to fix it. Ask to someone or even Google it. And then do not push your do not push yourself too hard. Jangan maksain kita buat bener-bener kita kerja keras banget. Well, kerja keras bagus. Hard work is good, but don't overdo it. Jangan berlebihan. Kita nggak apa-apa kita belajar programming itu misalkan sehari sekali 2 jam misalkan. Setidaknya kalau kita konsisten, if we consistent to do that like 2 hours per day we learn about programming, insya Allah we can understand about programming. Kita bisa ngerti bahasa pemrograman. Intinya konsisten dalam kita mau programming misalkan. That's it. That's my tips.
Oh, thanks.
Oh yes, disclaimer.
Going.
Okay, disclaimer that tips is might work for me, but I don't think it work for everyone. But it's just a tips for me. That's it.
Um,
Okay,
okay.
is there any question again? I think not. Okay, maybe who wants to introduce next? Introduce next. Maybe Sekar or Salma or Alif.
I will go next.
Okay, Alif.
Okay. Hello, my name is Muhammad Alif Lazwardi. You can call me Alif. I come from Padang, and I was from Senior High School 1, West Sumatra. That's all. Thank you. And my hobbies is playing game.
What kind of games do you play? Maybe an RPG or MOBA?
MOBA and some online games.
Oh, online games. Okay, do you play Genshin Impact? Maybe someone played. Okay, can you tell more about your high school, maybe? Your hobby?
Uh, my high school is the dormitory system, so we go and live there for every day, and we can go home every 3 months. And about my hobbies, do you know Clash Royale?
Ah, yes, Clash Royale. I played too.
I like that game very much, but I already stopped.
Oh, it's dorm system.
Have you
Yes, yes,
Yes, dormitory.
dormitory system. Can you tell me about more about that? About dorm system?
Yes.
I already.
So so we get controlled by the teacher there, and we eat with one catering. We eat, and all almost all stuff we do it there with the control.
Hmm, okay. So it's like pesantren, I think. It's like pesantren. So you.
Yes,
Oh, okay. I I
almost,
huh?
but it like a formal school, just the system different.
Oh, so I
play life
okay, Jackie, go on.
play life after? Do you know life after game? Do you play it?
What?
Life after game.
Oh no, I don't know it.
The game's name is life after.
I don't know that game.
Right.
Okay, Salma or Sekar, do you have any question to Alif so we can know each other?
Maybe I want to know, like, you enter the information system major.
My reason to enter this major because it's IT, about IT, and system information in Unan is close to my home. Maybe just that.
In
Any other
the
question?
in the future, is there any IT jobs do you want to be, or maybe you want to a programmer or data analyzer or something like that?
Yes, I want to be a programmer.
Program. Okay. Which one is programmer? Do you want to develop a website or mobile application?
Maybe website.
Okay, website. So, okay, for some tips, if you want to learn about website development, you may want to learn about PHP or JavaScript. I think it's a good language for to start with to start become a website development. But
Um, I don't know yet.
don't worry, we will learn about this about it on our university. So don't worry about it. Okay, maybe Sakar, do you want to ask something or Salma?
I think there's no more question.
That's it. Okay, maybe if there apa? Kalau nggak ada pertanyaan lagi, we next to Salma or Sekar. Who wants to go first?
Do you wanna or me?
Okay, Salma or Sekar. Who wants to go first?
You can go first.
Salma. Yes.
Uh, please introduce my name is Salma. My name is just have one word. Is Salma, and I from my village is Pasaman, but I I live in Padang now.
Your
Uh,
hobbies.
I'm from Mandual, and my hobby or drawing or design something or uh, which give, doing something which gives benefits for me. And just
Why did you choose? Why did you choose a information system department on UNAN?
uh, I don't know why I choose system pharmacy, but when I the major in UNAN, so in I feel more interest in action. So I choose.
Okay.
Okay.
What is your dream?
Any question?
Your dream maybe what do you wanna do after graduated in this major? What wanna be a programmer or maybe you uh, entrepreneur or maybe others?
My future job. Actually, I don't think about that yet. Uh, I I feel building is interesting uh, as we said before. JavaScript is good for web programming, so I will learn.
Okay. How did you find out information system on UNAN? Maybe you browse it somewhere on internet. Gitu. Dari mana tahu ada SI gitu di UNAN?
When I see list of major in UNAN, I see system formation, and actually my passion is design graphics, and I want to uh, ITB, so I think again and I choose UNAN.
Okay. Before that, Salma said you came from MAN, yes? Right?
Yeah.
Can you tell us about how MAN is? How madrasah is? So, because I am from vocational high schools, and I don't know much about MAN.
Uh,
The different about
Same, same like uh, senior high school, but uh, the the
Nggak apa-apa, campur bahasa.
pelajarannya itu uh, nambah yang sama gitu. Pelajarannya sama kok, tapi nambah yang lebih banyak agamanya.
Jadi kayak lebih fokus ke agama gitu ya? Ada fokus ke agama.
Enggak juga sih.
Hmm.
SMA kita pelajari juga, tapi yang pelajarannya itu kita nambah gitu. Jadi lebih banyak yang kita pelajari daripada yang SMA.
Okay, I got it. And maybe someone want to ask question to Salma? Maybe Jackie, you want to ask something or Sekar?
In your opinion, Salma, apa perbedaan dari MAN and Islamic High School?
Maybe Islamic high school, the version of English, maybe. And I heard about Islamic school is about usually Islamic high school in their name. Apa anymore?
Okay. Is there any question again? So we can talk about our topic. Okay, I think there's no more about question. Or Zeki? Zeki.
Wait, wait, wait. Okay, Sana, maybe you can tell us about your village. Is how the food, how the place, how the people.
My village is uh, uh, Pasaman, Kabupaten Pasaman. Yeah. The food, uh, I
Campur aja bahasa Indonesia nggak apa-apa. Kalau ini dari kata-katanya.
apa ya? Khasnya, makanan khasnya tuh kayak di, di oseng gitu, terus dikasih gula 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 apa namanya tuh?
Gula merah.
Gula merah, gula aren.
Ya,
Aren sugar.
yang aku ingat sekarang.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's it. Okay, if there's no question, we go to Sekar to introduce herself.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sakaraya Hansa. You can call me Sekar. I live in Jambi since I was born. And Jambi is a province in Indonesia located in the central part of Sumatra Island. I used to go to school at SMA M4 Kota Jambi. I have several hobbies like listening of music or making or produce some music. And then I also like to watching some movies or some videos on YouTube. Mm,
Hey, about
why I entered this major, to be honest, because this major was the choice of my parents. But after I saw and find out about more about information system, the job prospect after graduation, and then yeah, after that I became interested to enter this department. Following the advice and advice of my parents. I think that's all.
how about the future jobs?
Future jobs. Maybe same as Salma. Like about dream job, I don't know for sure. But I think I want to work in a company, just a company related to this major, to this department, of course. And then maybe I also interested in continue my education, and then after this, I want to be becoming a lecturer.
Oh, becoming a lecturer. Wow, what a good one. So, Sekar, I hear your hobbies is produce music, right? What kind of music do you make? Do you create?
To make songs or produce some music, but like short songs about my personal experience or maybe about friends or my friend's story.
Or about?
Just
Okay.
just my hobby. It's not like prepare prepare song.
Okay.
So you can play guitar or piano?
I can play violin,
Oh, you're a violinist too.
Oh,
but not good. Just I can.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, I'm actually a violinist too, but I'm not a pro or something. I still have take the miss note. The note is still scratchy, but I didn't. But I still want to learn it. Okay, Zeki.
I think apa ya, waktu sekarang tadi bilang tadi sinyalnya kurang bagus kan juga. Can you tell me again? Can you repeat music that can you play that can you made?
Okay, I can play violin, and then I take like
Oh yeah.
bimbel since I was in SD, elementary school. I um, but it just like until my senior high school because in when I was in third grade in senior high school, I just prepare more about university. So I'm not play violin again, and then maybe aku udah kaku gitu.
Okay. Okay.
The songs is just like my hobbies and just my hobby.
Have you made apa ya, lagu song apa? Lagu yang udah selesai gitu ya, yang udah have you make a song perfect song like that
Berapa?
with the music?
I think it not now.
Oh, oh, I'm too shy.
Okay.
Tapi
Okay. Maybe sometime you can teach me about violin. I want to learn violin again. I have my violin back there, but it's about 4 months I didn't play it. I think it's dust or something.
I'm not pro on that.
Okay.
Just not play violin. Maybe because when I produce song, I think I just like humming, play with the nada, and then maybe with the application like some application.
Okay. Does anyone have a question for Sekar?
Yeah. Sekar, do you use any application to help you make the music? Maybe you use uh, application at your mobile phone or maybe your
No,
phone.
just piano or keyboard application, and then I use my notes on my phone, and then I record my and then I lyrics on the notes, just like that. It's not the well prepared songs.
Okay. You said that you have made completed song, yes? What application or what tools that you use to mix your to mix the instrument.
Oh, about my self-produced music, I make on studio music in Jambi because I was entered some of what is it perlombaan FLS 2N when I was in junior high school. So I have to practice in music studio and then I produced 2 songs. I just used to be in for the full like prepare song.
That's very great, you know.
Uh,
Question.
do you play any classical music piece like Beethoven, Mozart, or something else? Or even
In the
play?
past, yes. Maybe no, I don't know. Like,
Maybe you're playing
don't think
Paganini,
I
Paganini Caprice or something. I think I'm gonna practice violin again tomorrow. Okay, is there any question more about Scott?
It seems no more question.
Deh, atau masih ada pertanyaan? Nggak ada lagi kan ya? Okay,
Okay, now it take about 50 minutes.
now
It's not enough yet.
something okay. It's still 41 minutes.
41?
No, it's about 41 minutes. Okay, how about we talk about IT jobs, like Skulugi said. Okay, what do you guys know about IT job? Hmm?
I have a question for Akmal, for Adi.
Okay,
About HTML. I'm going to learn HTML now. So, have you made a web only?
if you have made a website,
But and how to launch it to well, and you use only HTML language. Do it?
publish web ya? Apa maksudnya publish web gitu? Itu gimana?
Iya, web yang sudah diluncurkan yang sudah bisa diakses oleh semua orang kayak web yang udah ada gitu.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Bisakah kita membuat web yang seperti itu hanya dengan satu HTML dan dengan HTML saja tanpa menggunakan CSS or JavaScript?
Oke, kita sharing aja ya, kita sharing aja. Nanti tanya ke yang lain juga terus lo. Oke, first of all, I already have one website, but I don't do it alone. Aku nggak buat ini sendiri, ini sama temen sih. Buat PKL waktu praktik kerja lapangan, itu nama websitenya igoid.co.id. Nah, cari aja igoid.co.id di chat di sini. Okay, so Zaki said how we make a website with only HTML. Okay, actually you can write it only on HTML. No CSS, no PHP, and you can publish it to server to internet. Kita bisa bikin website pakai HTML, bisa kok. Terus kita publish ke internet bisa. Cuma tampilannya kan mungkin agak kosong ya, cuma tulisan, cuma heading, cuma itu doang. So, untuk pertanyaan sih bisa, for the question is you can make a website with only HTML, but it's kind of boring for user nantinya. Jadi user nggak tahu, oh ini website buat apa, oh ini website ini mau nampilin apa, jadi nggak tahu. So if you want to make a interesting website, you should learn HTML, belajar HTML, CSS, dan PHP setidaknya. Jadi HTML ini kalau diibaratkan itu kayak kerangka. Bilanglah website ini itu manusia ya, biar gampang nih. Jadi HTML itu tulang-tulangnya, terus CSS itu kayak kulit kita, kayak rambut kita, kayak penampilan kita. Lalu PHP dan JavaScript-nya itu ibaratkan sistem tubuh kita, kayak ada otak, pencernaan gitu, kayak gitu.
So we must learn the apa?
Second, Salma, you want to ask something?
So we must to learn. That's all.
Yes.
Make a web.
For a website, if we want to start a website, developing a website, at least you need 3 or 4 language, or maybe 5. Don't worry, don't take it easy, okay? Jangan anggap ini berat banget. We just need learn to its basic. Jadi kita pelajarin aja basic-basicnya. Jadi yang pertama itu ada HTML, the second is CSS, ketiga itu the third is PHP. So PHP or JavaScript. Maybe you want to learn one of them, but I highly recommend to learn PHP first, and then you learn JavaScript. Also, it's different language though. And then for lastly, if you want to integrate with database, pengen nyambung ke database, kita mau nyimpan data user, kita mau nyimpan apa postingan kita, itu bisa pakai you need to learn MySQL. Jadi MySQL ini gunanya buat nyambungin website kita ke database. Nah, pasti kita puyeng nih. We so confused if we want to website development. Oke, jangan lupa belajar basicnya dulu. Jadi, so there's a plugin called WordPress. Ada yang pernah dengar WordPress? Anyone heard WordPress? Maybe.
Ever had.
So WordPress is like, what is it called? A shortcut maybe, like a shortcut if you want to make a website fastly, but it's not so customizable. Itu nggak terlalu bisa dikustomisasi benar-benar. Boleh tuh dicoba-coba WordPress. Itu kayaknya jawabannya out of context. Oke, mungkin itu aja sih. Maybe that's it.
I wanna ask question for you guys. Actually, I want to buy a laptop, so now I confused what laptop to what I buy. Any tips for me?
First of all, how many budget you have? Maybe 7 million, 7 juta atau 5 juta?
Maybe 6.
Okay.
Yeah.
I want to recommend something, but I'm confused. I didn't know much about laptop specification, so maybe Zeki or Alif can help me.
Okay, 5 or maybe 6 million. And what do you wanna use your laptop? Do you use it only for school programming? For this school, you learn about information system, or maybe you play some game?
For now, I will use for school. Yeah. Setiap my wisuda pakai.
Okay, if you don't play game, uh, apa ya? Buy a laptop for your school, ini untuk sekolah, untuk buat program kayak di jurusan kita. Mungkin yang perlu kita perhatikan itu yang pertama kali prosesornya. Look at the processor tuh. But if you use it for game, gak harus melihat GPU-nya gitu.
Yang beda SSD sama HDD itu apa?
And HDD, solid state drive itu apa ya? Teknologi yang lebih canggih, yang lebih tinggi daripada hard disk dan lebih bagus dibandingkan hard disk. Itu sih apanya.
Mendingan beli yang SSD.
Ya, tapi tergantung juga kalau kita punya uang 5 juta, lihat 5 million, di apa ya, mana yang lebih kita butuhkan untuk penyimpanan yang besar, tera misalnya, maka SSD yang 1 tera mungkin kayaknya nggak cukup kalau 5 juta gitu. So, untuk if you use only for our school and for make some program in our major, choose SSD, but not have a big space like hard disk.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe that's it. That's the tips from Hariko, from Jackie. Okay, I want to talk about web development. Do you guys want to talk about it?
Yes, of course.
Okay, like Alif said, Alif, do you want to become a web development, right? Web developer.
Yes.
Okay, let's talk about this. Let's talk about this. I'm really excited. Okay. Dari mana mulainya? Dari mana mulainya? Bingung nih. Okay, Alif, what kind of web do you interest? Maybe like e-commerce or maybe like ruang guru or education?
Maybe like e-commerce.
E-commerce. Okay. Wow, it's so good. So the prospect of web developer is it's so big, it's so much. I see some group on Telegram. They a lot of perusahaan apa ya? Company, a lot of companies searching for web developer. So I think it's a good opportunity if you want to learn web development, because time by time we really website and application is so drastis banget berkembangnya lah kalau website sama aplikasi itu. Motivasinya apa nih Liv, mau jadi web developer? Mungkin lihat CEO Tokopedia gitu, lihat CEO Tokopedia semangat, wah pengen buat juga, buat biar lebih gampang gitu shoppingnya.
Yes.
there a motivation, Alif? There's a motivation to want to become a web developer?
Um, my motivation, yes.
So,
No answer, I think. Is there anyone interested with web developer?
Sorry.
Okay.
My motivation, like seeing some success people like Bill Gates or Mark Zuckerberg. Maybe this sector is interesting and good.
Yeah, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg is so motivational all about programming. And what is it? Mungkin ada yang punya topik lagi. Kita belajar jawab. Oke, oh iya, tadi ada yang bilang mau graphic designer ya, Salma kalau nggak salah ya?
Iya.
Oke, Salma, you interested graphic design, right?
Ya.
Do you ever create like application UI, application screen, like application design gitu? Pernah?
What?
Misalkan bikin desain tampilan aplikasi gitu, tampilan website, tampilan aplikasi gitu.
I never do that. Don't know how to design application yet.
Okay, for this, if you interest on UI design aplikasi gitu, mungkin you can try like Figma or Adobe XD to create like a prototype when we learn pengetahuan bisnis. Kan di PowerPoint-nya kan ada tuh kayak prototype orang-orang itu kayak prototype aplikasi gitu. Ya tampilannya aja gitu, kayak gambar-gambar gitu. Itu bisa tuh pakai Figma, bisa pakai Adobe XD. Nah,
Di laptop buatnya.
kenapa?
Atau bisa lewat HP?
You can access.
Buatnya itu di laptop atau bisa di HP gitu?
Kalau Figma itu laptop, you can access it with website, with browser. Jadi ketik aja Figma nanti ada sih. Nah, misalkan, for example, like Salma designing UI design and Alif do the web development, I think we will make a great team, I guess. Salma designing the UI, and then Alif coded, Alif created the website. Wow, it's gonna be awesome.
create the animation.
Yes, animation. Seems interesting.
Great team. Great.
Is there any?
Alright, what's next? Carl, do you have any mau membicarakan sesuatu gitu?
Kenapa
I
sih?
think no, because I feel not relate. I can not relate. Sorry.
Alif, maybe if you want to become a web developer, you can check Build with Angga. They has a course about web developer from scratch, from beginner to pro. So
Yes.
on that side, you will learn about basic HTML, basic CSS, basic PHP, and basic JavaScript. Once we understand the fundamental, we understand the basic, we can we can proceed to framework. So a lot of company use framework for making their product, their website build faster. Jadi framework ini itu kayak semacam kerangka kerja gitu ya. Kayak ibaratkan gini, kita mau ngegambar, misalkan gambarnya nggak pakai framework, ibaratkan itu gambar pakai paint istilahnya. Kita tinggal tarik-tarik garis saja kan. Tinggal garis, kita bucket fill. Nah, framework ini itu ibaratkan kayak Photoshop-nya. Jadi kita punya kontrol lebih gitu. Kita punya fitur lebih yang pastinya ngemudahin kita. Nah, jadi gimana maksudnya? Kita belajar basicnya dulu, kita belajar dasarnya, dasar website. Habis itu kalau misalkan kita udah bisa dasarnya ya kita bisa lah lanjut ke framework itu. But the work prospect on web developer is so high, so much. They're so wanted. Mereka web developer itu benar-benar dicari, benar-benar banyak yang nyari karena apalagi pandemi gini kan, especially this pandemic, many programmer is get hired. Banyak yang gini. Terus
Banyak yang dibutuhkan.
iya, banyak banget. And then what kind of talk we need? Oh iya, don't forget to participate in seminar. Karena seminar website gitu, karena itu benar-benar it's so useful, itu benar-benar berguna banget buat. Jadi we can sharing with the mentor, we can sharing to other people. Ya, koneksi lah istilahnya. Oke, maybe Sekar sama Salma mungkin tertarik, udah mulai tertarik di pemrograman. Okay, maybe someone want to talk more about IT jobs. Kita sharing-sharing aja tentang pekerjaan IT gitu.
For now, I'm still don't know how to learn programming. My teacher gave us I actually I susah gitu buat bikinnya. Cara apa tuh? Cara otak kita biar itu gimana?
Ya, biar gimana?
Gitu.
Biar gimana?
Biar mudah bikin program mana gitu.
How to learn?
Aku
How to easy learn
for me, so to make our task.
Okay. The tips is if you want to learn upcoming fest, I actually don't have a tips because setiap orang punya waktunya mereka masing-masing buat ngertiin suatu subjek. Jadi not every people is same, every person is same. Jadi take your time, just take your time, be patient and consistent when you practicing. Lalu dalam programming itu jangan ngafalin sintaks, tapi pahamin sintaks, pahamin programnya. Sintaks kayak aturan penulisan gitu, nggak apa-apa lupa. We can see it on documentation. Kita bisa lihat itu di dokumentasi, bisa lihat di Google, bisa dilihat di mana. Yang penting kita ngerti dulu, jangan ngapalin sintaks gitu. Because I experienced that when I have a test on my high school, I remember all syntax, and when I forget, when I forget about the syntax, I got frustrated, I got stressed, and I didn't pass the test on that day. So maybe that's good to say. Maybe Zeki want to nambahin sesuatu?
Jadi apa ya? Jangan pikir itu berat itu. Take it easy. Enjoy our learn.
Yes, enjoy our time. Apa sih?
Think about programming is very difficult. Is apa ya? Sangat memusingkan gitu. Tapi we have learn from basically from basic and gitu. Gak ada yang apa merasa kita itu apa namanya kayak gitu, jangan insecure gitu. Yeah, maybe that's from me.
Okay, just be patient. Just be patient. If we encounter an error, kita ketemu error, itu jangan benar-benar dibawa stres. Kalau misalkan kita udah capek, if we already tired, we can thinking more about how to solve it. Just take a rest. Intinya jangan maksain diri sendiri. Jangan pernah benar-benar maksa gitu. Gak apa-apa, kita istirahat dulu sebentar. Kita istirahat, mungkin bisa aja dengan istirahat itu kita bisa ketemu jawaban. Yang penting jangan dibawa stres.
How to minat kita gitu.
Kenapa?
Gimana cara ningkatin minat kita ke programming gini?
Minat ke programming.
Misalnya minat ke buat program gini gitu.
Oh,
Yang kayak gini gitu, gimana cara?
maybe anyone want to give Salma tips? Maybe Sekar, maybe Zeki, maybe Alif, or maybe me.
I think apa ya? I can share my experience now about programming. Really hate it. I really don't wanna do it. I really don't wanna tidak mau ikut sama sekali gitu. First high school, my teacher apa ya untuk ikut olimpiade komputer and wanted bahkan sampai hari latihannya itu mau di sekolah gitu caranya saat pemrograman. Tetapi karena ya awal-awalnya diikuti karena terpaksa, seiring berjalannya waktu dan seiring berjalannya
Iya, dia udah jinak sama adek. Itu adeknya.
enjoy this subject gitu. Kan ternyata ini memang bagus gitu. So a tips from me, just do it gitu. Nanti akan kita temukan sendiri minat kita itu di sini.
Oh ini.
That's good idea.
Okay, from Ali for Sekar, maybe there is some tips. But okay, maybe is there anyone want to share something about IT jobs or something?
I wanna ask something. I wanna ask. What minutes remain?
Okay, that's it.
What's the minimal duration?
Minimal.
Duration of our year.
Minimal.
Duration.
Oh, duration is
Hours.
1 hour. 1 hour. It's,
1 hour.
and it actually, and it's already 1 hour, though. Okay, maybe that's it for our meeting.
Is there no more question or no more topic? No, nobody wanna apa ya? Gak ada lagi yang mau sharing-sharing pengalaman atau gimana? Ya.
Okay, maybe we just stop here for tonight for this session. Actually, we already answered our topic though. About about ourselves, about why we decide to continue our study to information department, and what about IT, about dream IT jobs. Okay, I think that's it for tonight, for today. Udah malam juga sih, 9:30 nih. Mungkin kita akhiri sekarang ya. Aja. Oke. Sekian. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you guys. See you on the next topic. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.